I lie awake at night and reach for the empty space beside me, wishing your arms were right here, wrapped around to guide me. I miss the gentle, tender touch of yours on my skin and my face, and how safe I felt whenever we were locked in that quiet embrace. The smell of your jacket is fading, and it's breaking me inside. There is nowhere left for this heavy, aching loneliness to hide. It hurts so bad to only hear your voice through a cold scream, when all I want is to feel the warmth of what we really mean. My body literally aches just to hold you and be held by you again, to lose myself in your presence and finally forget all of this pain. Thousands of miles away, but my whole being is still waiting for you. Sevda تقرن حيونا مزرده جلده كناده تكو تامويني تكشي عادي نام بيا طالو تار زران جمنا فايسة تاتو زرre مده بقديو علمي رويه مده بدو چمه مبيه بكت يقاريه هنكي زانون بيتو روشني وجينو هرتم فتلينا نكا شويده استو خيال كانان بيجاما توكتشينا زرre مده قدرو زرre ما خلابوكي برسا کدر ما چرا اینا بیتاری ما قینی آبیدینا چرا ماره بیا خزب رویا ما بیا لته لته درمام نوه